Hey, today I'm going to try to show how to do these fried marbles. I saw another Southern gal with a video about fried marbles. And there were two ways that these could be done. It appears that you can either bake them in the oven at 500 degrees and then leave them for about 30 minutes, it said, and after that you pull them out and you dump them into ice water. The way I'm going to do it is the stovetop method that I saw, where she said medium heat for about 30 minutes and then dump them into ice cold water. So I'm gonna have water in this bowl with actual ice cubes in it. And these, as you see, I got at Dollar Tree, because that's where everybody appears to be getting their stuff. So I'm gonna see if this actually works to crackle the crackle the glass so that it gives you a really pretty effect. Don't know if this is gonna work. I think it will, because from what I saw, it was pretty comprehensive. They threw them in and these things crackled up. It's a way to give a nice effect. If you saw my other video about how to turn your Formica into the illusion of granite, I had said I was gonna do a backsplash. This is what I've decided is gonna end up being the backsplash. I'm doing a hack where you use dollar store glass beads. We're gonna crackle them to give them that nice artist effect. And then I'm going to do another video where I show you how to actually put these on the backsplash and then grout them and then seal your grout. I've done lots of tile and grout work before, so this is something I'm really comfortable doing. I hope everybody's going to enjoy seeing the crackled glass. We've got quite a bit. I'm not going to do all of these for the video. I'm going to just do these ones and some of the larger ones just to show. How these large pieces. Now they have a slight greenish tinge. There was some at the store that had the bluish tinge to them. Of course, because I've got a greenish undertone going in the faux granite, I want to stick with the glass that has the green. There's also the ones that are just clear, nothing to them. So she said you don't have to put the lid on, but I know that if the idea is we're to heat these up to a certain temperature, putting the lid on actually will help keep the heat and heat those quicker. She said 30 minutes. I'm going to cheat and do 20 minutes, and I'm going to see if this works. If you have the lid on, medium heat, 20 minutes, I'm going to see if that works. If we can do a bit of a cheat and shorten the cooking time for the fried marbles. All right. So when we come back, I'll be throwing these in. Okay, it's been 20 minutes. I'm gonna turn off. Oh. A little bit of smoke coming from the pan. So I'm gonna move this a little closer. And all this ice has been sitting in the water for about the last 10 minutes. All right, here we go. Let's see if this works. Oh, wow. Here's one of them. Ow, ow, hot. Okay, so learn from my mistakes. Don't pick up the stones right away. Mix them around that. Put them in a different container so you can see what the end result was. But, oh, it worked beautifully. So here's our fried, just for contrast. There's your before, and there's your after. I'm gonna come around. Okay, so this is what went in the pan, and this is how it ended up after. And what an effect. And you'd pay a lot of money for these. But now we're going to use these for the backsplash. So watch for that video. And definitely, if you enjoyed watching this, try checking out my other video where I turned this white Formica countertop into this granite countertop. Here's what some of the smaller ones ended up. The red not showing up so much. Okay. So the red didn't have as much of an effect. You have to actually hold it up to the light to see it, because when it lays flat you can't see it so well. The clear, of course, very, very nice. Yeah, there's your before. Very plain. After. Really nice. So I'm excited about doing the backsplash now. Yeah, there's my ugly backsplash. This is where these beauties are going up on there. Hope this has been educational. That's the point of it. Here's just to give you a nice look at the entire batch that I just fried. Hopefully your results will be just as dazzling.